Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to register a DBA in Indiana. First, it's important to understand that a DBA, also known as an assumed business name, lets your business operate under a name different from its legal one. Your filing location depends on your business structure. Sole proprietors and general partnerships file with their county recorder, while corporations and LLCs file with the Indiana Secretary of State. Always begin by checking your desired name's availability on the Secretary of State's website. Once you've confirmed your name's availability, the next step is to complete the Certificate of Assumed Business Name form. This form requires essential details about your business and the assumed name you wish to use. Submit the completed form to the correct authority, either your county recorder's office or the Indiana Secretary of State. Remember to include the one-time filing fee, which can range from $10 to $35, depending on your business type and whether you file online or by mail. Let's talk about the costs and what happens after you file. Filing fees for a DBA in Indiana typically range from $10 for online nonprofit filings to $35 for sole proprietors. A great benefit is that Indiana DBAs do not expire, meaning you won't need to worry about annual renewals. If you ever need to make changes or discontinue your assumed name, you'll file an amendment or cancellation form with the same office where you originally registered. Finally, it's crucial to understand what a DBA is not. An assumed name does not create a separate legal entity. It's simply an alias for your existing business. This means it offers no personal liability protection, nor does it alter your business's tax status or require a new employer identification number. Be aware that operating under an assumed name without proper registration can result in legal consequences, including fines of up to $1,000.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.